Okay, here's the update on this ECM repair. I soldered in these two wires. I was unable to, let's see if you can see it, repair these two little pieces, so I just soldered across the points. Alright, beforehand I was having a hard time getting ohms across these resistors, and as you can see, I have resistance now and ones that I had a hard time with. What I did was I took flux and a Q-tip and just rolled it and put it across all the soldering connections throughout the whole ECM, and then with my heat gun I went across until the solders melt. This is still kind of warm. And then on this side, all of these modules, I don't even know if they're called modules, but I did the same thing. All the cold joints, I fluxed the hell out of them, covered up this connector for the prom chip, or the memcal, and then heat treated all of this. And now I do have resistance. Hang on. In places that I did not before. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up into the car and see if it works.